Let's go over the wind data layer within LandApp. We will start with the Buildable Acreage tab, which only works if you zoom in on the map. The Buildable Acreage tab shows you nationwide exclusion zones that could hinder wind development. You'll see the data populate as you zoom in. Use the legend on the left to see what each fill color on the map represents. We can see this information for specific properties within LandApp's property reports, which we will get into later. I can click on the eye icons to hide and show specific layers on the map view. On the mobile version of LandApp, you can see this information within the environmental layer. Next, we have the Wind Direction tab, which shows me the average wind speeds and wind directions for specific regions. The blue arrows in length correspond to the average wind directions and wind speeds in the area. You can zoom out on the map view to see this information on a nationwide basis. On the mobile version of LandApp, you can see this information within the wind speeds layer. Now, let's talk about the wind data within LandApp's property reports. I'm going to zoom back in on the map and click on a parcel to view the details. This parcel has a wind index score of 8 out of 100. LandApp compiles hundreds of data points to generate this score. I will click on the blue wind energy link here for more details. Within the Electrical Infrastructure tab, I can see the property's proximity to critical infrastructure like transmission lines and substations, as well as its proximity to the nearest wind farm. The Buildable Acreage tab shows me how much of that property is actually usable for a wind turbine installation. Next, the Wind Speeds tab shows you the average wind speeds on the property measured in meters per second. Finally, the Wind Farm tab shows you the estimated lease payments that the property could generate from a wind farm lease. Wind leases are typically paid on a per turbine per year basis with royalties, so please note that our estimates are conservative. You can also see the potential capacity and wind energy output for the property if a wind farm was installed on the parcel. For more information about the wind data and wind value indexes, check out the LandApp user manual at landapp.com/user-manual.